Today is approximately, well, the 19th. Let's say it's the 19th of October. And it's in the evening.
We're both retired. We're celebrating Joseph's retirement.
And we're gonna smudge the shit out of this house. Here we
And
go.
each other.
Oh yeah, okay, here.
What,
Oh,
what do you call that?
come on, come on.
Kabakabash.
Spirit! Get out of the come on, come on.
Okay, I'll do your kabakabash. Spirits.
Oh, I can feel him, I can feel him going.
So this house now,
It's been totally smudged.
and this is October 18th, 2013.
We got all the corners, in case you were wondering. Nothing left in this den of iniquity.